Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the Voice of Indonesia's News Words with me, Siti. Let's begin the first news. In Indonesia, COVID-19 cases are on the rise. Experts say that the Delta variant is one reason. People who are not vaccinated against COVID-19 make up the most cases and deaths. Among fully vaccinated people, evidence shows a small minority getting breakthrough infections. In medicine, a breakthrough infections happen when a virus breaks through the barrier a vaccine provides. Let's come to the next news. In parts of India, second wave of coronavirus infection is causing the health system to fail. Overwhelmed, the capital city of Delhi has the highest daily case of infections. Hospital beds are full. Medicine and oxygen are in short supply. Burial places are running out of space. Aid from other nations is coming, but healthcare and burial workers are overwhelmed. The next news. In the early 1950s, researchers found that the people scored lower on intelligence tests if they spoke more than one language. Research in the 1960s found the opposite. So which is it? Researchers present their newest studies in February at meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. The latest evidence shows that being bilingual does not necessarily make people smarter, but researchers Ellen Bialystok says it probably does make you better at certain skills. That's all news for today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.